So you've scheduled a foundation inspection, but what do we do before, during, and after the inspection? So after the inspection is scheduled, I'll typically reach out about 2 to 3 days afterwards just to see a little bit more about what's going on with your house. After that, I'll typically send out some information, generally an article and a video, so that you can learn a little bit more about what we do. I will typically reach out the day before to confirm the appointment as a reminder. I am almost always on time. Actually, I'm a little bit early, 5 or 10 minutes. If I am going to be late, you're always going to get a phone call. When I arrive at the house, first thing is introduce myself, show me what's going on. Take me around the house, show me the sloping in the floors, the cracks in the walls. I'll ask you some questions about, how long those cracks have been there, what year the house was built. I'm gonna start my inspection by taking pictures of the outside of the house. The crews wanna see pictures before they come out there. They wanna know what to be prepared for. After I do that, I get my iPad and I use a program called ArcSight to draw out the entire house to scale. You know, where concrete is, where your air conditioner is, your electrical panel, your gas meter. After I do that, I'm gonna come inside and I'm gonna draw the interior floor plan of your house. Once that's done, then I'm gonna start taking my manometer survey. My manometer survey is what's gonna really tell me if you have foundation settlement problems. What I do is I find the high point in the house, I take my readings, and it shows me how many inches the house is settled and where. So if you had it half an inch within 10 feet, that would be considered a problem, or an inch over 20 feet. After I do my manometer survey, if you have a crawl space, I will put on my crawl suit and crawl underneath the house. I need to go in the crawl space because I need to know where the posts and the pads and the girder beams are located, so that if it is post and pad construction underneath the house, I know exactly where either those posts and pads need to be replaced or our crawl space jacks need to go. After I do all of that, I knock on the door again, I touch base, and I go over everything with you. Where work needs to be done, things that will need to be moved, like your AC, different parts of the project I'll go over with you and ask you if you have any questions. 90% of the time, I get you the repair plan in the same day. I always follow up 1 to 2 days after sending a proposal to see if the homeowner has any questions about the proposal. Thank you for watching the video. Please reach out to me with any questions that you may have. I look forward to helping you with your home's foundation. Remember to never settle.